You're consuming a direct descendant of the most feared creatures to have walked the earth, dinosaurs. Specifically, chickens are the closest living relatives to the Velociraptor. This fact is not just a fascinating tidbit, but a scientific reality that challenges our traditional understanding of these prehistoric beasts. The connection between chickens and dinosaurs is so strong that it's almost laughable to think of Jurassic Park's fictional portrayal of these creatures, given the real-life, feathered, and squawking versions we have today. Imagine walking into a farm, surrounded by the sounds of clucking and flapping wings, and knowing that you're essentially standing amidst a group of tiny, domesticated theropods. It's a surreal experience, to say the least. The idea that birds are dinosaurs is not just a theory, it's a scientific fact. Chickens belong to the theropod group, which includes T. rex and velociraptors, making them part of the same evolutionary squad. This means that the characteristics we associate with dinosaurs, such as sharp claws and agile movements, are still present in modern-day chickens, albeit in a more subdued form. As you delve deeper into the world of paleontology, you'll discover that the link between chickens and dinosaurs is not just a matter of shared ancestry, but also of shared traits. For instance, chickens have a unique gait, known as a double suspension gallop, which is similar to the way theropod dinosaurs moved. This gait allows them to cover great distances at high speeds, making them formidable opponents in their natural habitat. Additionally, the wishbone-shaped collarbone found in chickens is a direct descendant of the same bone structure found in theropod dinosaurs. The connection between chickens and dinosaurs becomes even more intriguing when you consider the field of molecular biology. Scientists have discovered that chickens and dinosaurs share a significant amount of DNA, with some studies suggesting that they share as much as 50 of their genetic material. This means that the genetic blueprint for a chicken is not that different from the genetic blueprint for a velociraptor. It's a mind-boggling concept, to say the least, and one that challenges our traditional understanding of the evolutionary process. As you explore the fascinating world of chicken-dinosaur connections, you'll come across some remarkable stories and anecdotes. For example, did you know that chickens have a unique way of communicating with each other through a series of clucks and chirps? This language is not that different from the way theropod dinosaurs may have communicated with each other, using a combination of vocalizations and visual displays. It's a fascinating area of study, and one that offers a glimpse into the complex social behaviors of our feathered friends. The more you learn about chickens and their dinosaur connections, the more you'll realize that these birds are not just simple farm animals, but complex creatures with a rich evolutionary history. They're a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth, and a reminder that even the most unlikely creatures can hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the past. So next time you see a chicken, take a moment to appreciate its remarkable heritage and the fact that it's a direct descendant of the most feared creatures to have walked the Earth. As you continue to explore the fascinating world of chicken-dinosaur connections, you'll encounter even more surprising facts and discoveries. For instance, did you know that chickens have a unique way of regulating their body temperature, using a combination of feathers, fat, and behavioral adaptations? This ability to regulate their body temperature is not that different from the way theropod dinosaurs may have controlled their body heat, using a combination of scales, feathers, and behavioral adaptations. It's a remarkable example of convergent evolution, and one that highlights the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. The connection between chickens and dinosaurs is not just a matter of scientific curiosity, but also of cultural significance. It challenges our traditional understanding of these prehistoric creatures and offers a new perspective on the natural world. It's a reminder that even the most unlikely creatures can hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the past, and that the boundaries between different species are not always as clear-cut as we might think. So the next time you hear someone say that dinosaurs are extinct, you can correct them. They're not extinct. They're just smaller, fluffier, and more delicious. As you ponder the incredible connections between chickens and dinosaurs, you'll begin to appreciate the complexity and beauty of the natural world. You'll realize that even the most unlikely creatures can hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the past, and that the boundaries between different species are not always as clear-cut as we might think. The connection between chickens and dinosaurs is a powerful reminder of the awe-inspiring diversity of life on Earth and the incredible stories that are waiting to be uncovered. So the next time you see a chicken, take a moment to appreciate its remarkable heritage and the fact that it's a direct descendant of the most feared creatures to have walked the Earth. The story of chickens and dinosaurs is a fascinating one, full of twists and turns that challenge our traditional understanding of the natural world. It's a reminder that even the most unlikely creatures can hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the past, and that the boundaries between different species are not always as clear-cut as we might think. As you continue to explore this fascinating topic, you'll encounter even more surprising facts and discoveries, each one shedding new light on the incredible connections between chickens and dinosaurs. So join the journey and discover the amazing world of chicken-dinosaur connections. It's a journey that will take you to the very limits of our understanding and beyond. You'll be amazed at the incredible similarities between the two, from their skeletal structures to their behavioral patterns. The more you learn, the more you'll realize that chickens are not just simple farm animals, but complex creatures with a rich evolutionary history. They're a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth, and a reminder that even the most unlikely creatures can hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the past. So take a closer look at the humble chicken and discover the fascinating world of chicken-dinosaur connections. It's a journey that will change the way you think about the natural world and our place within it. As you delve deeper into the world of chicken-dinosaur connections, you'll encounter a wealth of fascinating information and surprising facts. You'll learn about the latest scientific discoveries and the incredible advances that have been made in our understanding of the natural world. You'll discover the amazing similarities between chickens and dinosaurs and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. And you'll begin to appreciate the complexity and beauty of the natural world and the incredible stories that are waiting to be uncovered. So join the journey and discover the fascinating world of chicken-dinosaur connections. It's a journey that will take you to the very limits of our understanding and beyond. The connection between chickens and dinosaurs is a powerful reminder of the awe-inspiring diversity of life on Earth and the incredible stories that are waiting to be uncovered. It's a journey that will take you to the very limits of our understanding and beyond. So take a closer look at the humble chicken and discover the fascinating world of chicken-dinosaur connections. It's a journey that will change the so. You're probably wondering how scientists figured out that chickens are basically tiny dinosaurs. Well, it all started with a groundbreaking discovery back in 2007. A team of researchers found that the collagen proteins in a 68-million-year-old T. rex fossil matched those of the modern chicken. Yes, you heard that right. The same proteins that make up the T. rex's bones are also found in your average chicken nugget. But that's not all. Fossil evidence has also revealed that many dinosaurs, especially theropods, had feathers, hollow bones, and similar bone structures to birds today. It's like they say, the devil is in the details. And in this case, the details are all about the birds and the dinosaurs. I mean, can you imagine a velociraptor with feathers? It's not as scary as you think, right? In fact, it's kind of cute. But don't let that fool you. These feathered fiends were still deadly predators. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what about the other dinosaurs? Were they all just big, scaly beasts? Not quite. See, the more we learn about dinosaurs, the more we realize that they were actually pretty diverse. Some were small and feathered, while others were big and, well, still pretty feathered. I mean, who wouldn't want a pet dinosaur, right? But let's get back to the chickens. So, these birds, and I use that term loosely, have been around for millions of years, and they've managed to survive and thrive in a world that's constantly changing. But here's the thing. The connection between chickens and dinosaurs isn't just about feathers and bones. It's about behavior, too. I mean, have you ever seen a chicken fight? It's like a miniature version of a dinosaur battle, all beaks and claws and flapping wings. And don't even get me started on the sounds they make. It's like they're trying to communicate with their ancient ancestors or something. So what does this all mean? Well, for one thing, it means that chickens are way more interesting than we give them credit for. I mean, they're not just birds, they're living, breathing dinosaurs. And two, it means that we need to start looking at the natural world in a whole new way. I mean, Who knows what other secrets are hiding in plain sight? Maybe your cat is actually a descendant of the saber-toothed tiger. Maybe your dog is related to the wolves that used to roam the ancient forests. The possibilities are endless, and it's up to us to explore them. But let's take it a step further. If chickens are basically tiny dinosaurs, what does that say about our food system? I mean, are we eating dinosaurs for dinner? Is that even a thing? And what about the ethics of it all? Should we be treating chickens with more respect, given their ancient lineage? These are all questions that we need to be asking ourselves, and maybe, just maybe, we'll discover that the truth is more fascinating than we ever could have imagined. So what do you think? Are you ready to start looking at chickens in a whole new way? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're still with me, stay tuned. We've got more mind-blowing facts and theories to explore. The story of the chickens and the dinosaurs is far from over, and I'm excited to see where it takes us. So, you're probably still wrapping your head around the fact that chickens are basically tiny dinosaurs. But here's the thing. They've retained some incredible prehistoric features that will make you go, wait, what? For instance, take a closer look at a chicken's feet. They've got 3 toes, just like their theropod ancestors, including the Velociraptor. And if you think that's cool, check out their hips. They're reptilian style, also known as saurischian, which is a fancy way of saying they're similar to those found in ancient raptors. But that's not all. Chickens also have a wishbone, just like many dinosaurs did. And you know what's even crazier? They've got a gene called TALPID2 that, if switched on in embryos, can cause them to grow teeth. Yes, you heard that right. Actual dinosaur-style teeth. It's like they're just waiting for the right genetic trigger to unleash their inner T-Rex. Can you imagine a world where chickens are roaming around with teeth, making them look even more like their prehistoric cousins? It's a pretty wild thought, right? As we continue to learn more about the connection between chickens and dinosaurs, we're forced to reevaluate our perception of these creatures and the role they play in our lives. I mean, think about it. The next time you're eating a chicken nugget, you're essentially consuming a direct descendant of the most feared predators to have ever walked the earth. It's a pretty mind-blowing concept, and it's one that challenges our traditional understanding of dinosaurs and their place in the modern world. So what other secrets are chickens hiding? Are there other dormant genes waiting to be switched on, revealing even more about their dinosaur heritage? The more we learn, the more we realize just how complex and fascinating the relationship between chickens and dinosaurs really is. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll discover that chickens are capable of even more incredible things, like growing scales or developing sharp claws. The possibilities are endless, and it's what makes this topic so captivating. What do you think? Are you ready to give chickens the respect they deserve as modern-day dinosaurs? Let us know in the comments.